Tuna pasta on oil. Then, firstly, you need some garlic, some tuna, some olive oil, some of the spaghetti, and also salt.
Pepper.
But there's actually some, we actually need some pepper, which we don't have yet. Okay, so first you have to peel it off as seen. I've already peeled up some here. Let's continue peeling. A little more. There.
So what are you doing?
I'm actually putting this. Wait, what did you taste though? Oh, God, this. And careful. You can cut your hand. So it's like this. We are gonna be sauteing this garlic. So let's start this. What temperature?
Stir fry.
Yeah, I know stir fry. What temperature? Okay. Now let's put all of it.
Okay.
To what level? Is that enough?
One.
One?
Half the bottom.
Enough? Enough now? Enough?
Yep.
Okay, let's do this. This? Large amounts?
Yeah.
Let's do.
It's good.
I'm not scared. I just put it very carefully.
Yeah, don't throw it. Put it out again. Lower. Don't throw it.
Shallow hop. One garlic. So, let's
Yeah, mix it.
Gently.
this.
Mm-hmm.
We make this. Wait, like this.
Yeah.
Slowly lang, anak. Slowly.
There, it's starting to fry. So now you just
1
have to
minute.
wait until this is for this. What is that? Is that enough? Is that enough already?
It's soft.
It's soft?
Does it look soft?
Yes. I'm gonna try to squish it and see if it crushes. Okay, so this is the garlic. Looks like when it's already cooked. So now we're gonna use it. That's it. You mix it now. Mix it. Okay, so mix it. Mix. Mix it up. This is how it should look like.
Sweet finger.
Silver. Yep. Salt. It's the finish.
Well, that's
kind of things or salt.
Salt and pepper.
It's
It's in line.
simmer. Let it simmer.
Slowly.
Okay, drop. Drop.
Yes.
When do we know when it's just a little more.
2 minutes.
Just a little more. Again,
2 more minutes.
give it 2 more minutes. Leave it around 2 more minutes.
Fine.
Okay, so now we're actually mixing it with the tuna.
It's done.
And now we're done.
Fair enough.
Okay, so we're gonna break this so that it fits in the container. Wait.
Up now.
I think we need to split this a little.
Yeah, up.
This is too much.
Wow! Strong naman.
I guess the Italians are pretty angry right now. The Italians must be so angry.
Why?
Because they
Italians
don't
don't like burger
Oh.
spaghetti noodles.
Italians are so angry right now. You can't sue
So they
me.
don't break
You know,
their spaghetti.
they hate it when they don't break together. There. A little more. There's some leftover. Let's try again.
No, you can do it. Or you cannot.
Anyway, that's enough. This is the last one.
Okay, so what's next? Yeah.
I think what we're doing next is that we're gonna boil it in the water. Yes. So we are not gonna change the temperature of this because of heat transfer. So let's put this thing. Here, please. Slow it down.
Don't throw it, ha? Tatalsik yan.
Now, in. Oh, what? You're putting it like
Yes. Good.
only adding small pieces. So you see it. Okay. This is so hard. Yan na lang.
Then,
So the pasta will absorb
So that the pasta can absorb the
water.
water lang.
that's good.
You have to mix regularly, kuya, so that it will not stick to the
Do not stick to each other.
and each other. And very good.
There is sudden when it touches. It's
How many
like
minutes?
playing with me.
10 minutes.
10 minutes now.
10 minutes at 40 talaga. And it's also going out na eh.
Yeah.
You think the aircon is fighting back?
No, it's good.
It's time to cool it.
No naman.
You think the aircon will try to cool this?
No. A little lang. Don't worry
Pero
about
it's impossible naman kasi it's constantly releasing heat.
it.
So it's gonna become like a temperature, it's gonna become 132 pa. Hanggang 130 degrees. Ay! Oh, so hot naman.
Don't leave it there. That will become hot. Yeah.
This is kinda hard, this part. I think I'm gonna need a bigger spoon. It's getting scurvier na.
Just mix it so that it will.
Just do this, and then try to be be a bit firm. And it should be al dente, which means that it's like crunchy on the inside, but it's soft on the outside. So now it's good.
Turn off.
Now turn it off. Okay, so now we basically have this. It's just like the noodles, we have to like strain them.
Brain.
To like strain them.
What's
So
the 200?
it's gonna have to be put in water.
200.
He's gonna have to be putting water because this is like that. He's gonna have to be doing this. Just getting ready. So now you have to put it on the plate. Just wait for it to strain.
Okay.
Just wait for it to strain. Now you put it back there. Now it's ready. Okay, so now you're gonna be pouring this thing, the tuna and garlic we mixed with, and some oil. Pasta. Okay, now you just have to mix it. Here, I'm gonna. Okay, it's now mixing. It's starting to smell familiar. Just like that. And I think this is a little big. It's like the garlic is, what do you call it again? Camouflaging with the pasta. It's like the garlic is camouflaging with the pasta. If you want, you can add parsley or basil, but I'm gonna stick with the, nothing. Just this. Let's get this. Yeah, this tastes. Yeah, this is gonna start. Yeah, this smells good. Yeah, this smells good. And also the secretly camouflaging garlic. You might want to get some of that. That's the camouflaging garlic. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's try it. Mix together.
It's okay.
My fingers hurt a bit. But let's try this. No, that tastes good. No, that tastes good.
Now it's gonna be a mukbang video.
Wow. Not mukbang, it's an giant restaurant. It's weird. Yeah, that tastes good. Yeah, that tastes good. And that's how you cook tuna garlic pasta. Magnifico! And by the way, Italians, please, just don't hunt me down for breaking pasta. That's it.